Thank you for coming back for another stimulus update. Y'all, the video that I made yesterday, well, first of all, I decided to come outside today to make my video because it's so pretty out here. So you may hear an occasional dog bark in the neighborhood or an airplane go over because I live right next to the airport. But the video that I made yesterday, I got a lot of hate about because I was talking about reopen the country. I got a couple of ladies. One lady said her son is disabled. He's got an immune deficiency and he's easily to get sick. Well, she blasted me out of the water, all kind of it. But at the end of the day, this is my YouTube channel and this is my video and it's my views. That's a good thing about being human. We all got different views. But what that lady don't know is I survived stage 4 throat cancer 22 months ago. So my immune system is not the best in the world either. If you're easily to get sick, stay home. That's simple. But everybody else is well and doing good. Why do they have to be locked up? Okay. That's all I want to talk about that because I really don't care about the hate. But here in Pensacola, everything is starting to open up. Today, the restaurants was allowed to open with 25% capacity. I went down to Jayco's Bar and Grill. It's right on the water. Had a burger and 2 Corona beers. Had to have Corona, But I enjoyed it. I thought I had died and went to heaven. But day after tomorrow, my wife's off, and we're gonna go back there again. They was told to take half of their seating out to make room. Well, they didn't take any of their seating out, but what they've done, they're staggering people sitting at tables. Like me, I went in there by myself, and I was at a 8-top table by myself. But they made sure they set me in the middle seat of the table, so I had that big table to myself. So I was plenty far distance from anyone. I really enjoyed it. And the waitress, she was pregnant, looked like she was about to pop any time. You could tell that she was so happy to be back to work. And oh yes, I took care of her good. Y'all, May the 11th, they're talking about reopening the barbershops and salons. I sure hope they do, because I need a haircut so bad. I am so ashamed of my hair. I got to get a haircut. I'm about ready to shave it all off myself. And we got this graffiti bridge here in Pensacola. It's a railroad crossing over the road. They call it the graffiti bridge, and everybody is welcome to paint their graffiti or whatever they want on the sides of it. And everybody in Pensacola is proud of that bridge. It gives our graffiti artists a place to showcase their talent. And anytime anything happens significant, people uses that to put their message out. Holidays, they use it to put their message out. Just about every week it's changed. Today I passed by there and it says fake stats also kills, or something like that. It was fake stat kills too. And that's true. We don't know what to believe. And it's the media's fault because they give us fake news all the time, so we don't know what to believe, and they tell us something for our own good. We don't know whether to believe it or not. So fake stats do kill. You see all these people on YouTube making videos telling you about stimulus check updates, when we're going to get another check, if we're going to get another check. Y'all, I'm telling you, these people do not know anything. They're on here to get views. They do not know. Yeah, I make stimulus check updates too, but if you notice, I'm very careful to promise anybody a check at a certain time, because I don't know. I'm not a member of Congress. I don't have inside information, and they don't either. The only thing they know is what they've seen somebody else reporting, and they re-report it. So most of the time when you see these updates, it's just regurgitating what they've heard. It's not news at all. So be careful who you believe. I'm going to tell you the truth. If I hear something newsworthy, I will tell you. But if not, I'm just going to get on here and give you my little antidotes about the stimulus and the coronavirus. When this is all over, I'm going to be moving back towards my business stuff. And I know I'll lose a lot of subscribers and I won't get as many views. But that's okay. I'm not doing it for the money anyway. So it don't matter. Y'all, the thing about the stimulus checks, I'm going to tell you, as I've told you before, I really hope we don't get another stimulus check. It's just digging the hole deeper. And we're going to be the ones having to pay taxes and higher prices to get us out of it when this is all over. I was thinking a way that they should have done this to finance it instead of going into debt. You know, the gas prices is real low right now, and I'm enjoying the low prices. But what they could have done is keep the gas prices high at the pump. Because, you know, gas per gallon is about 30-something cents a gallon. The rest of it's taxes. Well, they could have kept it at a higher price, collected that tax revenue to pay for these stimulus packages. Then we wouldn't be taxing our national debt. But politicians don't think about stuff like that. And my air conditioner just kicked on. I'm sorry about that, y'all. But y'all come back tomorrow. I might have some news for you. Until then, just know I love you all. Ciao.